Yo guys, welcome to another video. I hope you guys are learning from the analysis that I've been posting on Mondays. Now, if you go and check on those two videos I've posted for 2 weeks now, you'll see that the trades are actually moving in the correct direction. It is also my kind request that you guys go ahead and smash the subscribe button and also like this video so that the YouTube algorithm can know that this video is really helpful to you guys and this channel is also promoted to more people. So in today's video, I'm not going to waste so much time talking. I'm going to take you guys onto the charts because I'm going to show you guys a breakout strategy and how you can use breakouts correctly. I know that some of you guys have been trading breakouts incorrectly because you rush and jump onto trades without taking consideration of some factors that allow a breakout to play out correctly. So in this video, I'll show you guys what you need to look out for when you're trading breakouts, and I'm going to show you a simple breakout strategy that you can apply in your trading so that you can be able to see yourself winning more trades. Remember guys, if you find any useful information in this video, drop your likes, subscribe, and also comment down below with something that you don't understand, or if you've learned something, comment down below. If you have any suggestion, comment down below. Also go and join the free Telegram channel where I'm posting swing trades and we have at least a 60 to 70% win rate, and I know some of the guys who are taking trades on there are really happy. That Telegram channel is still free. I'm not charging anything for you to join. It is free of charge, and I know many people are making profits from the signals that I'm providing. So let's go on to the charts without taking any longer. Let's go right now. So guys, as you can see guys, we are on gold. We are on the gold chart here. This is the 4-hour chart on gold. I'm going to use gold as an example, and a subscriber asked me to do analysis on the current market price and not go backwards to here. Yeah, and I replied saying you can use the techniques that I teach on this channel at any price level. I only use the past prices to show you guys that it is it's possible at any time. But today we'll use the current price. We'll use the current price where we can. Okay, if there is any part which I need to refer to, then I'll use the older prices. Okay, so what are you going to do when it comes to breakouts? This breakout strategy that I'm going to show you guys on this channel, it's going to be a game changer for you guys. Okay, just pay attention, spare some time, watch this video until the very end, and I believe that you're going to take a lot of value from this video. Now, this is what you're going to do. There are types of breakouts. There are trend line breakouts. Okay, I'm not going to teach you how to draw trend lines today. Okay, like here, this is a trend line breakout. This is also a trend line breakout here on gold. This is also a trend line breakout on gold, and this is also a trend line breakout on gold. As you can see, there are types of breakouts. So these are trend line breakouts, and then there are support and resistance breakouts. Guys, if you hear the birds in the background, forgive the background noise. Yeah, just recording this out for you guys in the evening when the birds are out. But yeah, you can see that these are trend line breakouts, and then there are support resistance breakouts. Like now, when you see like this level here was a level of just let me use this. Okay, so let me just fill it with let me just make it brighter, because you guys asked me to make it brighter. So there is this type of breakout, which is a support and resistance breakout. Okay, then there are breakouts according to chart patterns. Let me show you maybe a chart pattern breakout. Let me get one chart pattern that I can show you a breakout on. Okay, where can we see a good chart pattern so that I can show an example of that breakout? Let me see. Yeah, you can also see that. Okay, we can use like this as an example. We can say this was like a flag. It's not a very good one, but it's, yeah, it's a breakout also. You can look at, let's say, maybe this. Okay, maybe this. Can see this was also a breakout. So breakouts can happen on chart patterns, okay, and also normal support and resistance. So the essence of this video is to show you guys how to go about trading breakouts, to allow yourself not to be faked out in the market, because fake outs are there in the market. So how do you trade breakouts? How do you trade breakouts? Let's first look at, let me first remove the drawings. Let's look at this one from here, then we'll go forward. When the market is creating an uptrend, okay, creating an uptrend like this, when the market is creating higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, okay, what you're going to be doing, I showed you guys this in the previous video. What you're going to do is just mark the lows and the highs, okay? Mark the lows and the highs like this, okay? Just keep doing that. Now, what you're going to do is you move these forward. Just move them forward, okay? Because they can become relevant in the future. Move them forward as the price is going. That is one technique. The other one that that most of you were really happy about was using these lines here to mark the support and resistance levels, or the previous highs and lows, okay? I showed you that in a previous video. I'll leave the link of that video at the end of this video. You can click and go and watch it. So you're marking the lows and the highs like this, okay? So the high is your resistance, the low is your support. Now, this is how you trade a breakout. This type of breakout strategy that I'm showing you guys is exclusive to my channel. You will not see this anywhere else, guys. You will not. I'm telling you, you will not see it. You may see something similar, but it's not going to be like this. So what you're going to do is you're waiting for price to break the green line, to break below the green line, okay? Just watch out for price to break below the green line for you to sell, and wait for price to break above the red line for you to buy, okay? Just keep moving. As price goes, you move this to the next high, okay? Just move them to the highs and the lows, okay? Until you get a clean break below the green line. Like here, you got a clean break below the green line. Now, what do you do? Some people will wait for a retest like here before they can sell. Some people will just trade the breakout. Now, I personally, I would advise you to just trade the breakout. Don't wait for the retest, because sometimes these retests don't occur. This price can break out and just continue going down, and you miss out on that move. So just trade the breakout. So when price breaks out here like this, take a short trade here, and you can put your stop loss here at this red line, okay, or at the previous high, which is this area here. I don't know if you guys can see clearly. Let me just make this bigger, okay? You see this high, this candle, this is a high, a retracement high here. So you can put your stop loss at just above that high, and then you can target a 1 to 2, 1 to 3, whatever you want to do, okay? That's what you do, okay? You target you place your target, whatever you want, 1 to 2, 1 to 3, whatever. But I advise you to take a 1 to 2 because you'll have a better win rate with a 1 to 2. Okay, so you keep on moving your stops. Move this to the next highs like that, like this a high. After that trade, this is a low. Okay, at this point, market breaks above the red line, take a buy trade at the close. Don't wait for this retest. Though it comes and retests exactly at that, that is how accurate this strategy is, guys. You take a trade there. This is the low, previous low here, okay? So you move your stop loss to this low. This trade would be a 1 to 1. It wouldn't make a 1 to 2, okay? But what you do in this scenario, make sure, because you're seeing that this is a 4-hour chart. These are swing trades. This is a 4-hour chart. So what you do, you go and trail your stops when you get to the moment the price reaches 1 to 1, a 1 to 1, trail your stops to the most recent low. Like this is the most recent low. You will trail your stops here. So yes, the market will stop you out, but you'll be in profit. Then you move this to the high, okay, and move this to the low, which is the wick of this candle here. This candle breaks through, so you take a short trade here, guys. I want you to see how this is the previous high, just here, as you can see. Then you target a 1 to, I don't know if you get a 1 to 2. Here we would not get a 1 to 2, okay? We would be stopped out because we would be trailing. Remember, when the price moves to a 1 to 1, trail your stop and start trailing your stop, so that even if the market reverses, it does not put you in a loss. You get away with a win. Then move this to the next low, to the next low. Move this to the next high here. Then also here, this is a slight high. The price breaks out. Take a buy trade, okay? Stop loss just below here. You'd not get a 1 to 2, but if you're trailing, you would still win. Now, this is what I would advise you to do. If you want to get a better win rate, or a better risk to reward ratio, what you do, you go and trade on the 1-hour chart. Once you get a breakout, like now, let's just look at the current price, like here. This is the low, okay, which was broken, and then this is the high right here. Now, just look at this. This happened just last week, I think. Yeah, last week. Happened this week. This is this week. So this breakout, if you took this trade on gold following this procedure, this is what you would be having. This is the most recent high. You would have it here, and then you would be targeting a 1 to 2, which you would have achieved this week. But on the other hand, what you do, once you get a break on the 4-hour chart, okay, let's clear this, go to the 1-hour chart, or skip the 1-hour chart and go to the 30 minutes chart, okay, 30 minutes chart, so that you get a good risk to reward ratio. Come to the 30 minutes chart. This is the same green line which is broken below on the 4-hour chart. So you wait for the breakout. The breakout happens here, okay, here. But this is, remember, look down here. This is if you look down here, it shows that this is 5:30 a.m. in my country, in East Africa. 5:30 a.m. we don't trade, we'll be asleep. So here I wouldn't take the trade. I would wake up at 8, around here, 8 or 9, or I would trade this during the London session, or I would, when I've woken up, let's say at 9. Now, this is the candle where I would start to take my trade. I would place a trade on the 30 minutes chart. I would place my trade here, okay? Now, which is the most previous high? The most previous high price, you could say, is this point here, because you see the market dropped here, dropped down, and then retraced a bit up. I don't know if you guys can see this, okay? It dropped here and then retraced a bit, something like this, market dropped here and then had this retracement before going down. So I'm considering this as a recent high that I'm looking at. Not this one here, okay? But this one. This one is not a significant move. This one is a high that you can consider, not this one. So your stop loss could be on that high, okay? Put your stop loss on that high. And then you're going to target your 1 to 3s, 1 to 4s, 1 to 5s on the 30 minutes chart, okay? Because with this, look at the risk to reward ratio, how it changes, guys. With this one trade, you can pass a prop firm challenge just with one trade using this strategy on the 30 minutes chart. You wait for a break on the 4-hour chart, then you come and take a trade on the 30 minutes chart. Guys, I don't want to make the video too long. I hope you guys have seen how to trade breakouts. This strategy is the best breakout strategy that you can ever find on YouTube for free, okay? This is supposed to be a paid strategy, but I gave it to you guys for free. Now, let me show you how you trade the trend lines. Trend lines, you do trade them, but trend lines are a bit tricky because they are not very, very reliable. Here you do trade this breakout of the trend line to the downside. Yeah, you put your stop loss above, then you take your trade and target whatever risk to reward ratio. Hold this trade for a week or so, okay? You trade a trend line break like that. But the procedure I've shown you is the most accurate one. Even here, you could trade the trend line break if you want to. But the procedure that I've shown you is the best. I hope you guys will take value from this. If you take value, do not forget to subscribe the channel and also show some support. I really need your support to grow this channel, and I hope you guys will really show me support. Thank you guys, and I'm looking forward to bring you guys more content. I'll be starting live trading videos soon, so be sure to subscribe and also comment down below. Join the Telegram channel, and also, yeah, if you have any queries, feel free send me an email. I have my email in the description down below. Go and follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and also the socials that I have the links down below. So I hope you guys have seen on the charts what we can do to trade breakouts correctly, and how you can implement a simple breakout strategy that can help you become more profitable. Remember guys, as you watch these videos, do help out by liking the videos, subscribing, and don't leave without dropping a comment down below. It really goes a long way to show that you guys are appreciating what we are doing on this channel. Until next time, thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.